Feel me? Yeah, see my...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is just a couple of outfits I've put together with a beige linen shirt. And the first one is this really simple. I've paired it with like ripped jeans, an oversized blazer, and some kind of like boyish boots. I'm gonna start dancing in a minute and it's not great.
This thing here way too cold. You gon' shine like a pot of gold. If you didn't know, now you know. Feel me? Don't ask me how I been, how are you? Please don't bring your friends.
The second outfit is one of my favorites, and it's also a way to wear a sweater vest. And I have a lot of sweater vests, but this one's a thicker one, so it's a lot nicer to put on top of the linen shirt. I'm obviously struggling to tuck in the linen shirt, but I love this one, and it's a really great way to layer during autumn as well. I've paired it with some wide leg blue jeans, which just on their own with the shirt is really nice as well. It's a really nice way to like create some shape by tucking in the shirt into the jeans. And I've added a black belt as well just to tie in the boots a little bit too.
Just be ready when I make the call. I'ma say it here cause you know all my songs.
Here I've added another blazer on top. It's actually another linen blazer, so it's kind of nice for cooler weather in the UK. And I've just thrown this over the same outfit with the blue jeans.
I got a better question, what took so long? Yeah.
One of my favorite outfits is pairing this with suit shorts and a matching blazer. Definitely need to iron the shorts, but this is so cute for like cooler weather days as well. And I've worn this with platform flip-flops.
In case they didn't know, that's my boo. Yeah, that's boo. Don't ask me how I been, how I...
Another one of my favorites is throwing this over a knitted dress, and you can have the shirt like unbuttoned or buttoned up as well, but I love to button this up and make the dress look like a skirt.
Yeah, that's boo. Yeah, see my peanut butter jelly snack, pull it, ride, busky, painting. That's my sunshine when it's raining. That's my boo. Yeah.
I've thrown over a little suede shacket on top, again mastering the layering with this shirt, and I've worn this with some Birkenstocks as well.
Cause I know she like to stay at home, and she probably gonna shoot me dead before the devil try to take my soul. Yeah, I call that love TKO. This thing here way too cold. You gon' shine like a pot of gold. If you didn't know, now you know.
Another really easy way to wear this multiple times through the week is to wear it with some patterned suit pants, or any suit pants really of different colors. I've worn this pair because the beige tones kind of pull in with the shirt, but you could easily wear a monochrome one if you had a white or black linen shirt as well. I've also worn this with some simple flats that are really comfy to walk in, by the way. They're so soft.
When you on the way, make that move. In case they didn't know, that's my boo. Yeah, that's boo. Yeah, bro said don't get too involved. You up in school, I'm about to hit the road. Damn man, I'm about to see it all. But one day we gonna see it all. If I said, then I mean it all. Let's be ready.
Another one of my favorite ways to wear the shirt is with a kind of tailored skirt and knee-high boots. This is so Rachel from Friends, and I love it. I've also just thrown a matching blazer over the top, kind of like the suit shorts look. I think it just looks pretty professional, probably for a smarter day at the office as well, and would go really well with the tights.
Please don't bring your friends, they not cool, yeah. When you on the way, make that move. In case they didn't know, that's my boo. Yeah, that's...
Another summer look is pairing the shirt with some white jeans. I've gone for another wide-legged pair here with some frayed edges.
When you on the way, make that move. In case they didn't know, that's my boo. Yeah, that's boo. Yeah, see my...
And for the evening time, or another way to layer is just throwing an oversized coat over the top. I think a beige coat would have gone really nicely with this as well, or an oversized trench, and I've gone for my suede shacket as my neutral option for this look too. So there you go guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you found a couple new ways to wear a simple button-up linen shirt. If you have any new ways, just let me know down in the comments. But thank you for watching.
No, feel me? Don't ask me how I been, how are you? Please don't bring your friends, they not cool, yeah. When you on the way, make that